Mohit, please remove your hat. मेरा face ही नहीं दिखेगा.
Bro, I'm having a bad head.
Bro, I'll hold your head.
Do
Let's start. Cool, ना?
Do not let go of it in
But up to
excitement.
point, ना? But.
तो excitement छोड़ मत देना. एक हाथ से cover कर लो.
Ooh, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Why do I feel सारी question मेरे पे? Like, who's more likely to?
Tell me.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Steffi.
my YouTube channel.
Our star right here.
Okay, so today we have a fun
छोड़ देना
game.
भाई.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
Okay, so today we're playing this fun game. It's called Who's Most Likely To. I'm gonna ask some questions, and whoever we think it is appropriate for, we're gonna point out at that one person.
Is my hair looking okay?
Yeah. Who's most likely to be the heartbreaker?
Hello? Hello, excuse me? I'm the heart keeper. Hello?
Oh no, actually no. AK.
Please think.
Sorry,
And then,
sorry.
yeah,
AK.
I'm not. I'm the heart broken.
AK, undoubtedly.
Okay.
AK breaks
I take
hearts
full
as if I don't know.
As
It's
if-
nobody's business. You're rude to people in their
Yeah,
faces.
how girls change clothes, no, just like that.
Yeah, how people change clothes.
Not just girls, okay? Boys are not
Yeah.
unfair.
Okay, who's
Yeah.
most second question?
Second
Who's most likely to be good in maths?
Maths. AK is not good in maths. I am bad.
Please, I'm good at.
I'm horrible in math.
I'm good. These
मैं
guys have
fail
seen
हुआ
me.
Where have you seen AK? Where have you
I
seen?
don't know, I
I'm not
just
pointing
feel-
at anybody.
Yeah, I am.
I
I've
personally
been
feel.
all day.
I personally feel this entire group of friends suck at math.
No, I'm good.
Yeah, I think so too. But
good.
I'm better than all of them.
I'm good.
Anyway, who's most likely to give all their money in charity? Bro,
Yeah, Disha.
Steph.
Disha.
Steph.
No, I think Disha.
I think me and Steph.
I think Disha.
We'll give all our money to Disha.
AK used to call me Mother Teresa.
They're there not to look after us.
No.
We'll give our money.
I think Disha.
Okay.
I think
Disha. I think it's Disha because considering what she did last, she went all the way down.
Complete.
Down where?
Complete.
Complete.
Yeah, moving on.
my answer is changed to Disha.
Disha.
Okay, who's most likely to be a drama queen?
Why is this? How difficult was this?
Okay. Who's most likely to marry a celebrity? Steph.
Me.
Me too, kinda.
I didn't mean.
Both of them. Both of them actually.
Steph.
Steph was Mohit is a celebrity.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying she has a huge crush on Siddharth Malhotra and he's not married yet, so there is a chance.
Are you watching
Okay.
Siddharth?
I still
Tell me
vote
your
Mohit
one.
is just slyly calling himself a celebrity.
I did not. I said Siddharth Malhotra.
Who's most likely to get back with an ex?
How dare you say that name?
घुमा दे
I don't know. Both क्या?
I'm glad
Why me?
By sheer coincidence.
How can we
How can
forget
you forget
to
Shruti?
be Siddharth?
No guys.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry.
अच्छा YouTube पे डाल रहे हो
I tell you about Celine, so AK.
AK does not go back.
Sorry.
AK goes back to her exes to become friends. That's
Yeah.
it.
Okay, I'm okay.
Who's most likely to end up in jail?
Has to be.
It has to be
Or
her.
a little bit of me, but more weight.
More of AK, so yeah.
I have the. No.
We have full faith in AK.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to be a stand-up comedian?
Thanks, guys.
More just hit you.
Who's most likely to spend all their money in a casino?
It's Mohit.
No,
I don't know actually.
I don't know.
It has to be Celine.
नहीं Sarin नहीं है. Sarin is very particular about how he spends his money.
Please.
Please, he's very
Disha
particular
then.
about his money. Disha.
Oh yeah, Disha. She gets drunk, she doesn't know what she's doing. She she knows the context.
Like next time I'll get. Next time. See next 777. नहीं आया. One more time.
That could be me. Yeah, I'll do that. Who's most likely to fail all the exams?
Not me.
Not me. Me.
I'm so bad at studying.
Not me.
Me.
Not
All
me.
of us except
Not me.
AK. You were.
मैंने अपने पे point किया यार.
AK, you were very good at studies.
Till 10.
So what are we talking about? Like now, do you expect
I'm
me to
not a
say
graduate.
about JEE and NEET or what? What is this? I'm still IS exam right
I
now.
think I'm the only graduate here.
No,
In this
I am a
group.
graduate.
Huh?
I am a graduate.
I'm also a graduate, okay?
What?
In what?
In what?
What degree do you have?
BCom honors. क्या हो गया?
Okay, next. Who's most likely to fart loudly?
More.
He does. Who
He
most
does.
likely? He does.
I live with it. I know.
Disgusting.
If you have it, you let it out. You don't suck it in. It's supposed to. It's natural.
Okay, we get it. No.
Okay, who's most likely to be so bored that they yawn every time?
AK.
Has to be AK.
Very boring.
Who's most likely to double date?
I think nobody.
Not anymore, but I've
Most
always
likely to.
two.
अभी तो हो ही गई.
Sorry.
Oh my god, Salim! Most likely to be completely forgot. Seriously.
Thanks, guys.
Salim.
You're welcome.
YouTube पे जा रहे हैं सब कुछ.
That's what you are. Cheater, cheater, cheater.
Okay.
Don't worry, those two are not watching.
Not anymore. Not
Okay.
anymore.
Okay. Who's most likely to snoop through their partner's phones?
Not me.
Disha.
Disha.
No.
Disha.
No, I will never do that.
Nobody. You're a
I
nice
do that.
people.
No.
You don't do that. I mean, if I use Stephanie's phone for games.
Ever.
And then you read all the messages that come through.
How that? Because if the notification is open, it's coming. So I read it. Maybe the sun message.
Okay, bus. Next.
Who's most likely to give the best advice?
Steffi.
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 AK, your advices are not worth it.
AK, the next question we pointed you.
I'm always right.
Next question.
You're never right.
AK, next question we
Being
pointed
advice
you.
will
Best
but
advice.
my advice in the end is also
Aapke.
right.
So next question we pointed you. This one,
This
best
one,
advice.
Best advice, Steffi.
Who's most likely to give the worst advice? AK.
Who's
Chalo,
most
start.
likely to have a kid before marriage?
Disha.
Not me.
I don't know.
Oh,
Not me for sure.
No,
I meant
No.
AK.
अरे
AK को बच्चे नहीं देते.
मुझे बच्चे लाइक
मेरे को भी बच्चे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ कुत्ते चाहिए तो
हाँ
कि
मुझे
मुझे
भी
भी. Only one puppy.
None of us are.
Oh.
I just gave you 50 more views.
मेरे पास तो
मेरे को
वो
कुत्ते
चाहिए
चाहिए. I don't even want बच्चा.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's most likely to ghost on their partner? AK.
did you make these questions just to you wanted all the attention or what?
I told you in the beginning. I think सब कुछ मेरे पे आएगा.
Who's
Okay. Who's most likely to sleep off during a movie?
Me.
Steph?
I love sleeping.
Steph.
I always sleep.
Steph sleeps in every movie. Steph.
Movies है यार. Parties I sleep. Clubs पे जाके.
Me too. No.
No.
I've slept. You know. Shush. That was passing out.
You have
I
gone.
have actually.
You have
slept.
gone to the club. You've gone inside the bar and you serve drinks to people. See, I slipped it in.
Okay. Who's most likely to spill a secret?
AK.
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 Has to be on. Oh my
I was trying
god.
to take it away from you because मेरा निकल
But
जाता
मैं
है।
सब कुछ शो को बताती हूँ और किसी को नहीं.
हाँ, तो मैं सब
No,
कुछ
फिर,
Steph को बता दूँ।
you come and tell us then also.
Yeah.
Bro, don't tell us anyone, but you know what happened?
और फिर पता है मुझे क्या बोलेगी? सुनना इसके सामने मत बोलियो और फिर उसको जाके खुद ही बताएगी. यार सुनना ये वाला टॉपिक बिल्कुल मत उठाइयो. वहाँ पहुँचे अरे ब्रो मुझे पता है फिर क्या? I was like you told me not to tell him. That's maybe because she wanted to tell him.
Okay.
Who's most likely to be thrown out of a club?
Not me यार.
Disha.
Not me.
AK क्लब्स में AK का डर है.
पूजा
सब
करते
बहुत
हैं,
प्यार
पूजा।
करते हैं. AK को को बाहर नहीं
मुझे बाहर नहीं
फेंकेंगे
फेंकेंगे।
हाँ उसको तो बसाने बोलेंगे यहीं आ जाओ बेटा अपना बोरिया बिस्तर
So then I
लेके
think
यहीं
it'll be
रहो।
me.
Why? No, no.
Me
nobody.
because DJs
No,
hate
man,
me because
actually.
मैं उनके उसमें
None
सो
of us
जाती
are very
No, no,
good.
you're very well behaved kids, yeah.
Okay. Who's most likely to have stage fright?
हूँ not me
Me.
Serene,
100%
obviously
me.
Serene and
Me
this
also
one.
actually. Yeah.
These guys.
Okay, last question, guys.
बस.
Yeah. Who's most likely to be my best friend forever? Me.
all of us
I don't know if you all.
I'm so
you know,
blessed.
You know how cutely we all went. Me. That's when AK went.
I like me.
No, your hand was your finger was pointing here. I look.
Me.
You could be your own best friend, but none of this.
No, I did this myself.
But by the time we hugged each other, your hand was like this.
कुछ में
you're your own best friend
You know what I
you're
mean?
your own best friend who's most likely to give me a head massage right now
ये मालिश वाला है.
I hope you guys cannot see the sweat in my armpit right now. Can you see it? That's not much sweat.
no sweat.
Also, who's most who's most likely to come smell my armpit?
Ew.
Okay, honestly, who's most likely to get up and make me chai?
Not me.
मोहित.
Moil is most likely to make his
Chai.
own chai and
Before all of us.
I hate how you guys drag me. You know, a lot of people want to be my friend.
okay bye okay bye guys thanks for watching
please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
more videos coming your way
What is this?
Notification.
Okay, just know that there's a camera in front of you and everything is being recorded. Don't be AK. Okay, bye.
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 हो गया
Bye.
cut.
सब्सक्राइब बटन के साइड में ना एक ऐसे घंटा बजा रहता है.
Bell icon.
उसको अगर तू प्रेस करेगी ना तो तेरे पास नोटिफिकेशन आएगा कोई भी यूट्यूबर वीडियो जब भी डालेगा.